Good morning, and today is a special day. It is the 10th of October and my fluffy black teddy bear, Kyzer, has turned 8. Where has it gone? I was, I think, 15 when I got him. He was a little puppy and he was gorgeous, and now he is a big gorgeous teddy bear. So I've got him a small present. I haven't got him crazy this year because I got him a new bed. So I'm going to show you what I've got him and then show you his reaction. For Kyzer's birthday, because he's 8 and he's getting a little bit older and slower, we didn't get any more frisbees because he's got a load, but Shay, my fiance, wanted to get him a new tug toy because he's been really wanting to be quite playful in the house. This is his new bed. It is slightly smaller and thinner, but Kyzer's been using it every day, all day, a lot more than the old bed, and we gave it to one of my best friends for her doggy. We got him a new brush, new poo bag, because we like to have 2 on the lead in case one runs out, and the other one broke recently. Got him some treats, a new squeaky toy, and a birthday card. But the bed was from Argos, and you'll think it was like £25 or £30. And I'm going to show you Kyzer's reaction to his new present. Oh, I forgot to mention, I bought Kyzer the bed like 2 or 3 weeks ago earlier. I just saw it, I thought I'll grab it now whilst I can. So that was like an early birthday present, but obviously he doesn't really know. And this is his current toy situation. We do sometimes turn the bed and put it here and it fits perfectly. But at the moment, we're having a bit of a shuffle round in our home. So at the moment, it's just going to be like that. Let's go and see the birthday boy. Good morning. Go on, Casey. Happy birthday. Ooh, go on then. Bless him. He's so polite. He doesn't run away or take anything. That's it. Sweet. We got the 2 toys from QD and the brush and the poo bag holder, and we got the dog treats from Asda, and obviously Argos, the dog bed. Right, so that's it. Oh, you're so gentle. Go on then, take it. Oh, and it flashes. Woohoo! Well, that's a bonus. And we've got the new rope toy. He's so gentle. Go on then. Good. Oh, that's a decent little rope toy, isn't it? Look at your birthday card. We're at Nanny's. Look whose birthday it is. And she's put all banners up for you. Oh, bless you.
Happy birthday.
He's more interested in toys. Say hello. Here's a birthday boy. Look, you got presents. Here. Do you want to open it for him?
Kyzer.
Come here then. Ooh. Oh, what is it? Pair of shoes. You always wanted that. Oh, you can smell so. Ooh. Open it.
Eating food.
Yeah, his little piglet. You got another birthday card. He's like, yeah, I can't read that. Oh, that's cute. Look.
Oh, you already got your present.
Take the label off.
Yeah. Oh, it's a little reindeer. That's really cute. He just took his own present out. What's the other one wrapped up?
Oh, what's this one? Okay.
Oh. Mine's the card. Oh, another one. He's a happy boy.
I think it's taking the tabs off.
Ah, happy birthday, Kyzer.
I was going to eat it for you.
Oh yeah. Happy birthday.
You had to spoon it to him, didn't you?
I did.
You got 2 scoops.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday, dear Kyzer. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
You got your sausage again.
After a full-on day, having after a sausage, his dinner, and then getting ready for bed. Hi guys, it's the next day, and I didn't end up closing the vlog because we went straight to bed. Like Kylie had a fantastic 8th birthday. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!